FPS ruining your gaming experience? Here are the best tricks to boost your FPS instantly. First, optimize Windows for gaming. Go to Settings, Gaming, Game Mode. Turn on Game Mode to prioritize gaming performance. Install the best NVIDIA driver for performance. Instead of using the default NVIDIA installer, use NV Clean Install to install only the essential drivers for better performance. This step is covered in another video. Check out the full tutorial. Adjust in-game graphics settings. Lower shadows, anti-aliasing, and post-processing to improve FPS. Set render resolution to 100%, not above. Disable VSync to reduce input lag. Disable background apps and processes. Open Task Manager, Ctrl-Shift-S. Go to Startup Apps. Disable unnecessary startup apps to free up RAM and CPU. Close background apps while gaming, e.g. Chrome, Discord if not needed. Now your FPS is higher and gameplay is smoother. Like and subscribe for more gaming performance tips.